Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to link your Spotify account to Discord, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have active Spotify and Discord accounts. You'll need to be logged in on both platforms, either on desktop or mobile. Step 2. Open Discord and go to User Settings. Launch Discord, click the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left, and select Connections from the menu. Step 3. Select Spotify. In the Connections tab, click the Spotify icon to start linking your account. You'll be redirected to a Spotify login page. Step 4. Log in to Spotify. Enter your Spotify credentials and authorize Discord to access your account. Make sure you grant permissions for activity status, listening info, and friends sharing if you want to display your music activity. Step 5. Customize display settings. After linking, choose whether to display your Spotify activity as your Discord status and allow other users to listen along with you if you have a Spotify Premium account. Step 6. Verify the connection. Go back to Discord and under Connections, you should see your Spotify account connected. Your profile will now show your current track if you're listening to music. Step 7. Test listening activity. Play a song on Spotify and check your Discord profile or status. If connected correctly, your friends can see what you're listening to, and if enabled, join the session to listen along. Your Spotify account is now successfully linked to Discord, letting you share your music activity and listen with friends seamlessly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more social media and streaming tutorials.